So we're ready for roughing inspection. As far as the extension of the house, we have the gas, the water supply, the drainage, the vent to the roof. All the electrical connections are done and ready. So the only thing that's holding us to pass inspection is the pressure test on the gas line. As soon as we apply pressure goes down right away because we have so many leaks. We found 15 leaks under the house and we found 2 in the attic. So before we go forward, we're gonna have to replace pretty much all the gas connection from the gas meter all the way to each of the places where it's connected, like the water heater, the furnace on top, the range in the kitchen, and the lamps in the front. This week we also finished the covers in the crawl space, caulking, potting, and priming the exterior of the house. And next week we're going to be ready to continue priming where it's needed and painting. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for next video.